Hi, this tutorial will briefly explain how to use Quizlet to create a study set. First, to access Quizlet, you're going to go to Quizlet.com. And I am already logged in since I am on my computer. But, not logging in already, this is the site that it will bring you to. And an account is needed to access Quizlet. So, if you already have an account, you're just going to go ahead and hit login. But if you do not, you need to hit sign up. This will allow you the options of signing up with a Google account you already have, with your Facebook account, or signing up with an email address. So, once you log in, it'll show you your dashboard or home screen, which will look something like this. Now, to make a study set, which is like a flashcard set, you're going to hit create. From here, it brings you to a site in which you will be able to make your own study set. First, by having a title, then by changing settings to who can access it and who can edit it. Next, you will go down and choose a language for both the term and the definition side. And then you will proceed with making your actual cards, entering in the term and the corresponding definition. What's really cool about Quizlet is that you can actually add a voice recording to each term and definition. You can add a picture as a definition, and then you just go through and for how many terms you have, and you just add them in. You can even add more cards until you have the complete set that you need. Another cool thing that Quizlet enables you to do is you can enter in a term like climate and go over to definition, and there's an auto-define option to where it'll bring up a list of definitions for that term. And then you can search through, and if one meets the definition that you need, you can go ahead and click on it, and it'll fill in that definition. Once you have finished creating all your cards and you have a title, you're going to hit create. It saves your study set, and now you have your study set to use. And it enables you to share it with others via Twitter, Facebook, adding it to a class or folder in Quizlet, or sharing the link. Now, to use Quizlet to study, there are many options. You can use it flashcards, which will just show you one side of the card, and then you can flip it over as if you made traditional flashcards. Learning, which is fill in the blank. Spelling, which is where it will vocally speak the term to you, and you have to spell it. Or a test option. Quizlet also offers 2 game options, including matching and gravity, which is a fun little asteroid game where the terms fly at you and you have to enter in the definition, or vice versa depending on the settings you determine, which is done here. You determine which cards you want to use and which difficulty you want it to be at, and go ahead and start the game. And it throws the terms at you. So term, definition, enter, and that was the correct term, so I got a score. So, go ahead and pause and go back. Another really cool feature of Quizlet is that it allows you to see which terms you get and which terms you struggle with depending on how long you play the games. You can go through and edit and access your set, share it with others, add to a class set or folder, which enables you to link with your friends or class and all have access to the same cards or the same set. So that is how you use Quizlet to make a study set. To access other study sets, you're going to go over and click on your username and go down to your study sets. And this allows you to have access to all the study sets that you have made or have been given access to. And that's it. And then you click on your name and log out. Thank you so much.